Yesterday it snowed a lot, so I took out my Mini 4 Pro and my action cameras because I wanted to record me driving in the snow. On the morning before I went out, I saw some videos on YouTube that a new update had come out, and I did the update. And after that, I kinda feel that the Mini 4 Pro started to act strange. Before the update it was all normal, but I always want to do the update because never know if it fixes some bugs or issues or new features will come out. So I just did it, and after that I had some problems that the gimbal started lock up or things like that. And then I put the drone into follow mode and suddenly it just fell out of the sky. And that's not all. It made some damage on the frame. I took the battery off, let it dry, and later I wanted to test out if it still works. I put the battery there and was driving the car, and suddenly it starts to smoke and almost got on fire. Oh, and then I removed the battery and saw burning marks inside the drone and also on the battery. So I don't know what had happened. I have seen other people having some issues after the new update. I know that the gimbal has locked up on some people's when they had like in rocket mode or something like that. But it also felt strange when I had it in follow mode. Anyways, I guess I'm going to contact DJI on Monday. They have usually fixed issues very quickly, so we'll see will it go into warranty. And I also do have DJI Gear Refresh on all my drones, and that has worked out really quickly. So we'll see and keep you updated if it was the problem with the update or there was something wrong with my drone. So